Welcome to the AERA Prosis Pro Dashboard tutorial. This tutorial will explain the features of the dashboard. When you first log into your Prosis Pro account, you will be taken to the dashboard screen. On the top navigation, you will see the dashboard, engine specification, bulletin, shop counter, shop tools, and new engine search tabs. They will take you to different sections of Prosis Pro. Above the navigation, there is the user's account information, welcome, expiration date, sign out, my account, tutorial, and specification request. The top section of the dashboard allows you to do a new engine search. To learn more about engine search, please check out the engine search tutorial. The middle section of the page displays three modules. The first module is the current issue of AERA's quarterly publication, Engine Professional Magazine. You can click on the Read button to access the electronic version of the magazine online. The middle module displays a list of latest AERA news and events, while the module on the right takes you to the AERA online training program. The bottom section of the dashboard shows the latest bulletins as well as the latest engine specifications that were recently published by AERA. To learn more about engine specifications, bulletins, shop counter, and shop tools, we recommend watching the related tutorial videos.